What's the meaning of Calor gas? Calor gas. Calor gas.
Calor gas. Calor gas. Calor gas is a brand of liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, that is commonly used in the UK and Ireland as a source of fuel for domestic heating, cooking, and hot water. The result of using Calor gas is that it provides an efficient, convenient and cost-effective way to power household appliances. It is available in a range of different cylinder sizes, which means that it can be easily transported to homes and businesses across the country. Calor gas is also a cleaner burning fuel compared to other fossil fuels, which means that it produces less harmful emissions and is better for the environment.